Please tell me this assignment is easy. I already have trust issue with good assignment. Relax guys. Okay guys, let's sit first. Okay guys, what should we do now?
Before we start the assignment, I think we should choose a leader first. If not, it's going to be hard to manage everything.
True, but honestly, I don't really want to be a leader because I'm scared to handle everything properly.
Same here, and everyone is already busy with other assignment too. But we still need someone to guide the group. If everyone wait for each other, nothing will get done.
Then, who do you guys think should be the leader?
I think you should do it. You usually the one who reply fast and organize things properly.
No way, later you guys will think I am too bossy.
No, being a leader does not mean being bossy. It just helping the group to stay organized and making sure everything runs smoothly. And we will have to. The leader should not do everything alone.
Okay, promise me, everyone will cooperate. I don't want only one person with all the work.
Of course, if there any problem, we discuss it together.
And if we have different opinion, we solve it properly. Exactly. Leadership is important, but teamwork matters too.
Okay, I will be the leader for this assignment.
Finally, we have a leader.
So, what's the first plan?
First, we divide the tasks equally. Then, set the deadline so everyone can finish on time.
Okay, nice. At least now everything feel more organized.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay guys, first we need to decide which one company we want to choose for the interview. First is NION, second is MBA, and the last one is MGT340.
We have 3 companies right now, right?
Yeah, but we need to choose carefully because the company must match our assignment topic. I think we should compare them first. Which company is easier to contact and has better information for our discussion.
Good point. We also need a company that has a clear HR issue, so it will be easier for us.
I think the national is okay, but it might be difficult to arrange the interview.
And CKR does not really have enough information for us to discuss. What about MGT340?
I think MGT340 is better because they reply fast and easy to communicate with.
Yeah, and the issue in that company are more suitable for our assignment.
I agree, and it will make our discussion easier too. Same, plus everyone seems comfortable with that company.
Okay then, does everyone agree we choose this company?
Agree.
Finally, what important decision completed.
I like how everyone gave their opinion before making decision. Yeah, it shows good teamwork and communication.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
Are you all ready for today's discussion?
Yes, I'm ready. Ready. Let's get started.
Great. I will be taking notes during our discussion. Let's review 5 HR issues faced by MGT340. Nasrin, can you start with the first issue?
So, the first issue is employee performance management. The main factor is the lack of clear and measurable KPIs for employee.
Next, the impact is unbalanced productivity, where some employees handle more work than others, causing delays in public service. To solve this issue, the company introduced weekly output logs and Monday briefing to monitor employee performance.
Alright, I have taken notes of that. New KPI are important to improve employee productivity. Next, let's move to the second issue.
The second issue is work stress. The main factor is heavy workload caused by staff shortage and continuous public demands. The impact is employee burnout, reduced motivation, and a higher risk of making mistakes.
And the company addresses this issue through better workload distribution, stress management program, and stronger communication. Okay, noted. Heavy workload clearly contribute to employee stress. Now, let's move to the third issue.
The third issue is lack of training and development. The main factor is that employees are too busy with daily tasks and have limited time for training.
The impact is that employees may struggle to adapt to a new technology, policy, and work procedure.
The company provides training program, workshop, and seminar to improve employee skill and knowledge.
Alright, thank you. I have taken notes of that. Training is most important to employees to help their skill and performance. Now, let's proceed with the fourth issue. The fourth issue is lack of manpower, and the main factor is the increasing number of public service requests with limited staff available.
The impact is heavier workload, slower service delivery, and increases employee stress. The company focuses on improving digital system and technology to reduce manual work and increase efficiency.
Alright, noted. A lack of manpower can affect both employee and service efficiency. Now, let's move on to the final issue.
The final issue is employee turnover rate. The main factor is work stress caused by excessive workload and constant public pressure.
The impact is the loss of experienced employee, increased workload for remaining staff, and lower organizational efficiency.
To reduce turnover, the company focuses on employee welfare, career development opportunities, and better communication between management and employees.
Okay, I have taken notes all of the points discussed. Employee turnover can affect organization performance, so it is important to address this issue properly.
Okay, thank you everyone. I think we have successfully covered all 5 issues for our report.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi. Why?
I already submitted the assignment. I still can't believe we survived this assignment.
So overall, I think this assignment quite challenging for us at the first. Yeah, especially when everyone had different schedule and sometimes it was hard to find time to discussion.
But guys, I think we handled it quite well because whenever there was a problem, we tried to solve it very well instead of just ignoring it. And when someone did not understand something, we help each other to explain the work.
We also improved our teamwork after dividing the task more equally. So nobody feels stressed doing this work.
I think communication is the most important thing throughout this assignment. True, because if we do not communicate properly, we probably could not finish everything on time. And honestly, this assignment taught us to be more responsible and manage our time better.
And we also learned that leadership is not just one person leading to the group, but everyone should cooperate and support each other.
Even though we face a lot of problems in the process, we still managed to complete this assignment.
Thank you guys.